downstairs. This is the downstairs chat. If you're wondering what is your screen name, all you need to do is look at the very top of this bottom chat right here. I'm using an account called admin. That's the account. That's my screen name right now. It's called admin. Okay. Now the most important button in the downstairs chat, what you notice is this right here. Okay, this little button right here. See where it looks like a sort of like a black color play button. Has a little arrow triangle look to it. All you have to do is use your mouse. Okay, click on it, and immediately it'll give you all the options that you'll need. Okay, so the first option that you'll see is the open profile option. So all you have to do is click on it, and it will give you right away the persons that you're looking at, what their profile is, and all that kind of stuff. The second options, real quick, is the webcam option. So say you're going to watch the webcam, all you have to do is click watch his or her AV stream, and click on it real quick, and it will pop out their webcam right there. Now there are two things you can do to their webcam. Okay, you can either shrink it by pulling on the bottom right hand corner. That will shrink the webcam. That's resizing it, or make it look bigger by pulling on the bottom right hand corner. Or if you want, you can drag the webcam to wherever you want. Just simply glide your mouse to where the name is, the screen name is. Left click on the name, hold it down, and just drag it to wherever you want it to be. Okay, so that's on the webcam. Now you can watch up to 8 webcams at the same time. Also, the way that you can tell the webcam is on is by looking for all these icons right here. See where all these webcam icons are? Whenever you see a webcam icons or a speaker icon, okay, if you see a webcam icon on, that means that the webcam is on. That person is broadcasting. The next function you'll see is, if you click back on that play button, is either you can buzz somebody, send somebody a small profile, a small file, like a picture file, or the most important one is probably send them a private message. So if I were to send this guy named Danny a private message, and you see immediately the screen went blank, that is the chat screen between me and Danny. So all I need to do is go down there and type in what I want to type. Like right there. And you can see that Danny is typing back to me right now. Now that is the private chat screen between me and Danny. If I want to go back to the main chat, see where the tab right there where it says act and there's a number to it. Okay, all you do is just click on that tab right there, and immediately it will bring me to the public chat right there. Now I'm looking at the public chat, although actually nobody is chatting right now. I mean, because everybody is probably upstairs chatting. But if anybody is chatting, they're either, probably people are PMing each other, private messaging each other. That's why I don't see in a public chat. But Danny just in the public chat right there, as you can see. So that's pretty much how you use that black play button that I mentioned. Last but not least, probably the other useful function, just want to let you know, is that there is actually a block function real quick. So whoever that is, if somebody is annoying you or whatever, all you have to do is go to their black play button and click block. And as soon as you block them, once you choose that function, whatever they type to you, either in private or public chat, you would not see it at all. But your message to them, you can still they can still see it. Now, if let's just say I were to broadcast my own webcam, the first thing I should do is to make sure that I have my webcam turned on. And then the next thing I should do is come over here, right where I see it say start my cam and mic. You basically click on that. Once you click on that, you're on. People can see you. Now to tell who is watching you, basically all you have to do is come down here, right where there's a arrow right down here. See where it says show everyone who is watching me? Okay, check mark that box and it will show you who is watching you. You can also sort by telling who is actually on cam right now at the moment by saying sort cams on top. That's what I always do. That way I know immediately who is actually have their cam broadcasting. Okay. To use the upstairs chat, it's actually quite easy. Oh, so if I were to like have a PM from Danny, what you'll notice is that there is actually a number start showing up on this PM tab between me and Danny. If you see a number start showing up, that means that person is writing you something. Right now, Danny didn't write me anything, or else there is a number right there. So if I were to click on this tab, immediately this is the private chat between me and Danny again. Okay, but notice, see how the X tab has a number start going on? That means something is happening on the main chat. So if I click back on the main chat, I can see what's going on in the main chat. Or I can switch back to the private messaging between me and Danny. So this is the downstairs chat.